Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing this cupcake. It's Oreo pack. It's full of Oreos. I tell you, you will love it if you like Oreos. The Oreo queen is at it again. I tell you, I love Oreo recipes. So if you like Oreos, come along with me and let's do this. Look at that. It's so lovely. So guys, let's get started, and I need to put all the dry ingredients together. So I have my flour in the bowl, and then I'll add my sugar. I love using brown sugar because it gives that rich nice taste, and my cocoa powder, okay, and also I add some baking soda and baking powder, and I mix this nicely so that it's fully incorporated, and then I'll set it aside. Right, so getting on with our cupcake, I need to soften my butter, so whisk it a little bit so it gets softened nicely. And then I'll add my eggs. Okay, make sure that you add the eggs bit by bit, one at a time. And then I'll add my yogurt. This is vanilla yogurt. You can use any other plain yogurt, it's all okay. And I add my vanilla paste. I like using the vanilla paste because it makes it delicious. So right now I'm adding my dry ingredients. It's as easy as that, okay? So you mix it nicely and make sure you don't over mix it. So that is it. And then I'll add the main ingredient, the Oreo crumbs, okay? This Oreo biscuit that's been crushed, okay? So it's crushed Oreos. So you mix it nicely. And then really that's done. It's very, very easy to do. So guys, I told you it's Oreo overload. Yeah, so we are putting our cupcake together. So I'll put some biscuits at the bottom, and then I'll cover it with my cake batter. Yeah, it's so lovely. You have to try this recipe. So right, that is done. I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. So guys, let's make our frosting. It's a very easy recipe. We have my softened butter, okay, and I add my powdered sugar or icing sugar, okay, and then you mix it nicely. Make sure it's lovely mixed and it's fluffy, okay. So you can use your mixer if you have one. If you don't have one, you can still use your hand mix, okay. So yes, I add my cream cheese. Cream cheese makes it so lovely and delicious. I tell you, you have to add it. All right, so you mix that nicely. You see that it's very easy. And I add my vanilla paste. This is the key. Add vanilla paste to it, not the extract. It makes it so delicious. So as you can see, it's really done. It's so easy to do. And I add my Oreo crumbs, as the crushed Oreos, and mix it so nicely. As you can see, it's very silky and it's so good. Sometimes I can't really help myself. I have to just taste it all the time. I tell you, it's so delicious. So guys, we need to pipe it onto our cakes, but I need a flat surface, so I'll just cut the top of my cupcakes. I love the top of the cupcakes when I cut it. It's so good, I tell you. So you pipe it nicely. You can do any style of your choice. Okay, this is what I like doing. It's so delicious. I tell you guys, you have to try this recipe. It's lovely. Just top it up with biscuit, Oreo biscuit. Yeah, so this is really a cupcake full of Oreos. Try this recipe and you are going to love it. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Thank you. Bye.